The Deputy Director for Consumer Protection and Internal Marketing Regulations in the Ministry, Salom Haidullah, said that with the support of the European Union, it is working towards developing a consumer protection legislation exemplified by the drafting of the Consumer Bill, which aims to safeguard and improve service delivery to consumers.
However, the issue was now we did not have a policy, and normally policy precedes or it informs your lawmaking process. So we then put that bill on hold, and we were directed by Cabinet to first develop the policy, which we have now done. And that policy, we launched it in September 2021. Obviously, dynamics changed. So we then thought, let us again revisit the state of play, but we are not throwing away what we have, the work that was already done. We are still going to retain that work, but just to come up with a law that is more current and it speaks to the contemporary issues that as Namibian consumers we are facing on a daily.
Haidullah further emphasized that the ministry has successfully engaged all 14 regions in educating them about their rights and the existence of the policy and consumer protection law.
Obviously, we understand that consumers are broad, so we can't engage each and every consumer. So we then identified the key stakeholders. So we started that process of engaging those stakeholders. And after those engagements, it was then felt that there is a need to bring the stakeholders in one room, because now we have engaged them at an individual level, basically. So now we thought of organizing a workshop where we can then bring them in one room so that we can share experiences together as stakeholders and to see how we can enrich this process of developing the Consumer Protection Act.
He underscored that the drafting of the Act has been long overdue, highlighting that the consultation workshop served as a crucial catalyst to expedite and improve implementation of the consumer protection law.
This piece of legislation is long overdue. In 2014, there was a discussion paper that through the assistance of the Law Reform and Development Commission, they assisted the ministry with that discussion paper. So from that discussion paper, there were key recommendations. And one of them highlighted the fact that as a country we have a fragmented approach to consumer protection. So the idea now is not to take away the powers of sector regulators, but to come up with one single law that speaks to consumer protection.